Alright guys, so I got my hood, my fender, and my bumper in here. We're going to prep them and paint them. I ended up not being able to use the fender and the hood from the parts car because I haven't gotten the title for that yet, and I would fail inspection without showing that or proving that I have ownership of the parts vehicle. So I had to bite the bullet and buy a brand new hood and a brand new fender. Not the end of the world. The hood was like 160 bucks and the fender was like 70 bucks. So not the end of the world, but it does kind of hurt knowing that I have those parts in stock. But we're going to get to prepping these, and then you guys will see me spray and clear them. So we're going to get to that now. Alright guys, so I got all the parts painted in the booth over there. So now we're going to be working on getting this old hood off and this fender that we thought we were going to use but we couldn't, as I explained earlier. And then after that we're going to be mounting the headlights and building the new bumper, and then it's just put it all together after that. So we're getting there on this one. Tight fit. This come off? Grab a 15. Here, go ahead. Take them off and see what that's what you're sitting on. Let's see where it's at. Push that thing down too. Squirted. I always give it off. Alright guys, so here's finished product. I just got it out of the car wash. The car turned out great. I drove it to inspection today, my state inspection, which is about 2 hours away, and it passed flying colors. So it's going to be up for sale now. Thanks for watching us rebuild this 2015 Chevy Equinox. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and please subscribe for more salvage rebuilding content. We have a couple of really good vehicles coming up. Thanks for watching.